Hello everyone, welcome back to KBK kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of the most popular Chinese dish, chili paneer. So let's get started. To begin with recipe, here I have taken around 100 grams of paneer cubes, to which I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half a tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and mix everything well. Now this is done. Keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make sauce mixture. So for that, here I have taken half a cup of water, to which I am adding in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and 3/4 tablespoons of corn flour, and mix everything well without any lumps. Our sauce mixture is done and ready. Keep this aside. Next, we need to shallow fry the paneer. So for that, heat some oil in a pan. When the oil is medium hot, add in the paneer cubes one by one carefully and fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes each side till they turn crispy and golden in color. Now these are perfectly done. Let's take them out on an absorbing tissue paper. Next, we need to make chili gravy. So for that, heat a pan on medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Once the oil is heated up, add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and fry them for few seconds. Next, add in 1 small size onion petals, half a cup of mixed capsicum, 1 tablespoon of spring onion white, around 3 green chilies slit, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Now mix everything well and fry them for about a minute. Next, add in the sauce mixture which we prepared earlier and keep stirring till you get nice thick gravy. As you can notice that within seconds the gravy has started to thicken. Add in the fried paneer cubes. Now keep the flame to high and mix well till the paneer cubes are nicely coated with sauce. Finally, add some spring onion greens on top of it and then turn off the flame. So dear friends, our tasty chili paneer is done and ready. Enjoy it with noodles or with fried rice. If you like this video, hit the like button below, and for more videos, subscribe to KBK Kitchen. Thank you.